Students, sun gives us heat and light, but there is no combustion process going there. Heat and light is produced by nuclear reactions going on there in the sun. Okay, now we are going to learn some factors which are necessary for combustion. The first factor is the substance used should be a fuel or a combustible substance. That means it should undergo combustion. Say for example, we have kerosene. It can burn, so it is called a combustible substance or a fuel. The second factor is air. Air is necessary for combustion. How can we prove this? We have an activity. Here we light a candle and a glass chimney is kept over it. It is rested on some wooden blocks so that air can freely enter through it from both the sides. Candle will burn properly because it is getting air from both the sides. Now, remove the blocks and let the chimney rest on the table. Again observe the flame. Now in this case, when air does not enter the chimney from below, the flame starts flickering and it produces smoke. Now, close the chimney from both the sides and see what happens to the flame. Now here, the flame finally goes off or the flame extinguishes because the air is not available. So we could see that air is very necessary for combustion. The candle was burning because air was present at that time. Now, since air is a mixture, it consists of many gases. Oxygen gas of air is necessary for combustion. Now we'll go for another example. Say for example, a person catches fire. He should be covered with blanket. Why we do so? Because when we cover with blanket, air is blocked. So the fire extinguishes as oxygen gas, which is a supporter of combustion, is not present. If we do not allow the air to pass in it, the fire will stop. Okay, now next example. Does a candle burn on its own? No, we have to use a matchstick for it. If we take a piece of wood, can we burn or light fire to it? No, we have to use kerosene to light fire to it. Okay, now students, you must have heard about forest fire. This fire, does it happen in all seasons? No, it happens only during summer when the temperature is high. Due to high temperature, the heat increases and the dry grasses or the trees, they catch fire, resulting in such forest fire.